Hey everybody, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back in Excel and I'm going to show you how to use the text to column feature. And what this allows us to do is take data that we have, say in Word, Notepad, text document, or something like that that's not already formatted to go into Excel columns, and it's going to allow us to do that within Excel. So what we want to do is say that we have data in a Word document, and here I have like a fruit, the quantity, and I have the dollar amount, and it's separated by a comma. So I'm going to highlight this data, and I'm going to Control C to copy, and I'm going to Control V to paste it into Excel. And as you see, it pastes into Excel exactly the way that it looks in Word. So what we want to do is let's highlight all of our data and go to Data, Text to Column, and we're going to get this error here with the way that we have it highlighted. And the reason for that is looking at it, it looks like Excel has strung that across column A and column B. However, it's only in column A. So we're going to tell this OK, and we're going to go back and we're just going to highlight column A. Text to column. And what we have here is the ability to do either a delimited or a fixed width. Delimited means we know how it's separated, and we can tell Excel how it's separated. It's got a comma, a semicolon, a forward slash, a space, a tab, or something that we can tell Excel, this is exactly where I need you to split it. Fixed width is where we go in and we manually tell Excel how to split it. So in our case, we have a comma, so we're going to do delimited, and we're going to hit next. And then we're going to tell it how is it delimited. Like I said, we've got tab, semicolon, comma, space. We can click other if we have a forward slash, and we can click forward slash, which in this case we don't, so I'm going to take that out. We have a comma. And as you see, when we hit that comma, it says this is the columns I'm going to put it in. Apples is column A, the quantity is column B, the amount is column C. And we're going to hit next. Now in here we have the ability to do a couple things. I generally bring everything in as general and then format it within Excel itself. If you have dates in here, you can go ahead and format your dates. You can tell it not to import certain columns, say that we just want what it is and the amount. We can do this, tell it do not import, and it won't import that. But we don't want to do that for these, so we're going to import everything. And we're going to tell it finish. And now as you can see, it did exactly what we asked it to do. The type of fruit is in column A, quantities in column B, and the amount is in column C. And now you can go on to manipulate the data just like you would if it was entered in manually. We can format these cells. Let's just say we want these to be currency. Tell it OK. So let's clear these out. The next thing I want to show you is, let's say that we have what looks like product numbers or a group of continuous numbers or continuous data. Let's go ahead and copy this. We're going to paste it. Now, let's highlight our data, text to columns. Now we're going to tell it fixed width because we want to tell Excel how we want it split ourselves. So fixed width, next. Now, as you can see, it just has everything in here with no delimiters. So let's just say we want the AGG, and we want the first 4 digits of this number. So in between this 4 and this 5, just click. And as you can see, it separates it. And let's hit next. Now it shows you this is going to be in column A, this is going to be in column B. And let's hit finish. And there you have it. Now, let's go back and repaste our data. Go back text to columns. And let's tell it that we want that as well. But now let's tell it we don't want this column. We just want the AGG and the first 4 digits. So we don't need this. So let's do not import, skip, and tell it finish. And now as you can see, it only imported the AGG and the first four. It truncated the rest of it past where we put in that manual delimiter. So that is a few things that you can do with text to columns if you have made notes of data in other applications and you want to get it over to Excel and format it. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.